Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and military time, so 24-hour display on your Casio F105W. This is going to work for most Casio digital watches. So as you can see, we have 2 p.m. and while you are in your home screen, so where you can actually see the time and date, all you need to do is to press the button on the right, and as you can see, we have switched to the 24-hour display, so military time, and instead of 2 p.m. I now have 14. In case I want to switch back, I can press it once again and I have 2 p.m. Once again, 24-hour display, I prefer this one, so I'm going to leave it just like that. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features, how to set the time and date, how to use the alarm, the stopwatch, also how to turn on and off the hourly beep and the alarm sound, make sure to check out the full guide, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot, and I will see you guys on the next one.